Searching for the best kayak roof rack feels like picking between identical twins. Same J-bars, same straps, same heavy-duty claims. But here's the thing, the real difference isn't in the pictures or the bullet points. It's in the details that only show up after you've driven 200 miles with a kayak on your roof. Let's fix that. Product number 1, Abahub Soft Roof Rack Pads. If you drive a car without crossbars and need a budget-friendly way to haul your kayak, the Abahub Soft Roof Rack Pads are worth a serious look. At just over $60, this set includes everything: pads, straps, hood loops, and even a storage bag. What caught my eye is how it skips the metal bars entirely, using thick EVA foam and 1680D nylon to protect both your car and your kayak. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're a weekend paddler with a sedan or SUV and don't want to drill or clamp anything permanent, this is a clean, reversible solution. The 13-foot and 16-foot straps give you flexibility, and the non-slip bottom actually works. I've seen people drive highway speeds with a canoe on top. Now, some people complained about the straps loosening over time, especially in windy conditions. Here's the thing though, that's fixable with a double check before hitting the road and maybe adding a backup strap. This isn't for heavy-duty or long-term use, but for occasional trips, it's solid. This is perfect for you if you're new to kayaking, drive a car without roof rails, and want something affordable and easy to store. Skip this one if you're carrying multiple kayaks or driving long distances regularly. For the price and simplicity, it's a great starter option. Product number 2, PIRIPARA J-Bar Roof Rack. Now, if the Abahub Soft setup felt too temporary, the PIRIPARA J-Bar Roof Rack takes a more traditional and secure approach. Priced at $75.43, this set includes 4 J-shaped carriers, enough for 2 kayaks made from sturdy alloy steel. What stands out is the wide-mouth J design, which makes loading and unloading way easier, especially if you're doing it solo. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 150-pound total capacity means you can carry 2 full-sized recreational kayaks without stress, and the rust-resistant coating helps it last through salty coastal air or rainy mountain trips. Installation is quick with the universal mounting hardware, and it fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars, just not round ones, so double-check your roof setup. Now, some people complained about the padding wearing down after a few seasons, especially under heavy sun exposure. Here's the thing though, that's common with most foam padding, and you can easily replace it with aftermarket rubber or even pool noodles in a pinch. This is perfect for you if you already have crossbars, want a reliable J-bar setup, and plan to transport 2 kayaks regularly. Skip this one if your vehicle has round crossbars or you need something foldable to save space. For under $80, it's a strong, no-frills performer. Product number 3, FORWOD Premium Folding Rack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for frequent adventurers, the FORWOD Premium Kayak Roof Rack. At $177.12, it's the most expensive here, but it brings features the others don't. The big win, it folds. Using a handle, you can adjust the J-bars from 0 to 180 degrees, which means you can lay them flat when not in use, perfect for low garages or reducing wind noise. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're loading different types of kayaks, wide sit-on tops, narrow sea kayaks, or even a canoe, the adjustable angle helps center the weight and prevent sway. The carbon steel frame with 1.2 m thick walls feels indestructible, and the 150-pound capacity per pair means you're covered for heavy loads. It also includes ratchet straps with S-hooks and even has built-in paddle holders, a small touch that makes a big difference on launch day. Now, some people complained about the weight. 28.5 pounds is hefty, and it's not something you'll want to install alone every weekend. Here's the thing though, that weight translates to stability, and if you leave it on your SUV permanently, it's not an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a premium, long-term solution with adjustability and don't mind the higher price. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need something ultra-lightweight. It's an investment, but it pays off in durability and convenience. Product number 4, Yima Accessories J-Bar Rack. Now, if the FORWODE's folding feature isn't necessary for you, the Yima Accessories J-Bar Rack offers similar strength at a much lower price, $75.44. This set also includes 4 carriers, built from a mix of alloy and carbon steel, and supports up to 75 pounds per kayak. What's impressive is the 600-pound brake strength on the included straps. That's overkill in the best way, meaning you won't worry about snapping under load. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide-mouth J design and adjustable padding make loading easier, and the rust-resistant coating holds up well in wet environments. It fits most square, oval, and flat crossbars, but again, not round ones, so check your roof before buying. The quick-on-off hardware is genuinely easy, and the whole thing feels solid once mounted. Now, some people complained about missing hardware or loose screws during shipping. Here's the thing though, that's a packaging issue, not a design flaw, and the seller usually responds fast if you reach out. This is perfect for you if you want a durable, no-nonsense J-Bar rack that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need folding capability or plan to switch vehicles often. For the price and build quality, it's a steal. Product number 5, TMS Dual Kayak Roof Racks. Finally, the TMS Kayak Roof Racks come in at $76.67 and offer a clean aluminum and nylon design that's lighter than the steel options. This set includes 2 J-bar pairs, straps, and mounting hardware, and it's compatible with most crossbars. What stands out is how space-efficient it is. The J-bars are optimized to leave room on your roof for other gear, like a cargo box or bike rack. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're running a full-size truck and want to mount up to 4 kayaks, TMS says you can stack 4 sets, that's 8 kayaks total. Even if you only carry 2, the powder-coated aluminum resists rust and keeps weight down, which helps with fuel efficiency on long drives. The wide mouth makes loading easy, and the included straps are reliable. Now, some people complained about the nylon parts feeling flimsy compared to all-metal racks. Here's the thing though, nylon reduces weight and won't scratch your kayak, and as long as you don't over-tighten, it holds up fine. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight, space-saving rack for occasional or multi-kayak trips. Skip this one if you're hauling heavy touring kayaks regularly or need maximum durability. It's a smart balance of price, weight, and function. So which one wins? If you're starting out with no crossbars, go a Bahub. Need a solid J-bar setup for 2 kayaks? PIRIPARA or Yima are both great under $80. Want premium adjustability and don't mind spending more? FORWODE folds and flexes like a dream. And if you want lightweight and space-saving, TMS delivers. No single rack is perfect for everyone, but one of these is perfect for you.